Hi everybody, it's Deidre and thank you so much for joining me for yet another video. Now today we have a brand new development coming to Spanish Town. It's a gated townhouse development with 18 units and it's located along the Brunswick Avenue road. It is called Mewton Cove. So if you want to learn more about this development and get a tour, please stick around. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for sticking around for this video. And today, our featured development is Mewton Cove. Mewton Cove is a brand new gated development located along Brunswick Avenue in Spanish Town. It features 18 townhouse units as well as apartments to come. Today, I have a tour of the townhouse units as well as a site map for those who aren't really sure of where the location is. But before we get into that, have you heard about Daspora Bridge JA? If you're in the Jamaican diaspora, I'm sure there comes a time when you need certain services to be taken care of. Document services, maybe property checks, or even loved one wellness and support. This is where they come in. They are incredible to do business with. They are truly trustworthy and extremely professional. So go ahead and reach out to them because they are indeed bridging the gap between Jamaica and its diaspora. Okay, so let us get into this site map. So you can see that this development is indeed strategically located. It is right next to the brand new New Brunswick Village development that's indicated right here. And you will see that this is indeed a strategic location. It is located in the center between the two major road highways, I should say. You have the Highway 2000 and the North-South Highway. This development is at the center because Spanish Town happens to have both of these highways running through it. So easy commute into Kingston or even Ocho Rios into Montego Bay. Now, this development is indeed one for the books because of what is going on right now in Spanish Town. Spanish Town has been drawing renewed interest from developers and investors thanks to its potential for growth and improved infrastructure. Multiple projects are underway, including the construction of the new police divisional headquarters and a large new hospital, which suggests a broader reinvestment and modernization of the town. And with Mewton Cove offering this nice, secluded, gated community at the center of such a well-traversed road, it is indeed an ideal location for a family or someone that is retiring or a young professional. So here we have a site map and a layout of the community. I should tell you that a few of these are already sold. I think the last time I checked, I don't want to give an actual number, but a few of them have already been sold. Let's go into the tour. So as soon as you enter, there is a foyer, and then we have the powder room. From the powder room, we have the living dining area. And the living dining area is open concept. So here we can enter the kitchen area. So the kitchen will feature the cabinetry and quartz countertop. So we have the porcelain tiles right here and large windows. This is great for natural light. From the kitchen area, it leads out into your laundry area, washroom laundry area. And from the laundry area, there is also a little back patio section as well. Now, I'm also told that beneath the staircase, it should be like a storage area. Not completely sure, don't quote me on that, but it should be something like that. The staircase leads us up to the the two bedrooms. There's primary and secondary, and both bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms. But this right here is the primary bedroom. That's the closet area that we're looking at right there. And yet again, large window, and there is also a great back balcony area, patio section for you right out here. And this is the ensuite bathroom for the primary unit. Please remember, both units have their own ensuite bathrooms. I especially like the secondary bedroom, and this is because the secondary bedroom has a balcony that allows me to look at the community. Look out. This has a great view. I mean, there's a great view at the back too, but I really like just coming out here, taking in the community. And next to that now is our ensuite bathroom for the secondary bedroom. So here it is. And then we have the staircase that leads us back down into our living, dining, open concept area. So yes, this is your unit. The point to note is that the units will be landscaped. So you'll get these units landscaped, which is incredible. The development is being done by Ashtrom, and they have done various communities that have stood the test of time. Ashtrom is a company with a proven track record within the Jamaican construction industry. So here is just a mock-up of what the expected unit would look like. I mean, once you get your unit, you can style it to your liking, but this is just imagery to represent the finished product. I think that a development of this kind is ideal for a small family, like young professionals, even retirees, because residents can escape the hustle and bustle and enjoy the peace of a small neighborhood setting, whilst still having the vibrant offerings of a close business hub. So this includes dining, a supermarket, and entertainment, which is just moments away. It's indeed a perfect blend of privacy and accessibility. Now it's your turn. I would love to hear from you guys. What do you think of Mewton Cove? Let me know down in the comments. But until my next video, continue to stay safe and see you soon. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.